You got a 9703 Chevy Camaro. What you want to do, you want to run it, the wire through this booth or grommet, you can call it. Right there, as you can see, use a coat hanger and push it through right there to the grommet. And run the wire from the jacks, RCA jack, you can run it out there. And there's a clip right here, you can just, right there, you can remove this clip out by just prying it. If you have the tool I can show you right here, you can see. You can just pry it out right there. There's one, there's two right there, and then you want to take all this screw out. So to take all this Phillip out, I have this special tool right here. It's really short, you can get through here. Because the screw was right here. What happened, the last customer, they ran the jack, and look what happened. So now I took the I think this is T45. Take this T45 for the seat belt right here. Take it out, and then you can just hit it underneath there, like so. Like I did. That way you won't hit anything, and then just run it to the back. Best thing to do is get you a 1/2 inch and take the seat out. Get that water out right there. Yep, right there, and just lift it up, and it should come out like that, so you have more room to run the power wire through. You're gonna look for ground. You can use this ground right there. That's, I believe that's a 17 millimeter, either, yeah, it could be 15 or 17, one of them. And I use this right there because this is better. This is a better ground because I can clean the ground really great and use it from there. You can, like I said, if you don't have the right tool, use this. As you can see, I use a short terminal right here, so I remove the old one and put the short terminal right there out here. Fuse holder with the wire loom right there, and going down here and underneath. Coming up here, I basically remove all that off, and then I put the wire right in there. Instead of over this side, they put it underneath there. And I took that out, and I run the wire all the way to the back. Oops, close. So what I did, I didn't have the box. Customer didn't want to pay for the box. I saw on eBay and online for like $500, $600. The customer don't want to pay for it. It used to be when the audio enhancer was in business, they make them. It was not that bad. It was around $200, $250 max. So I just put a regular 10-inch right there, and as you can see, I put the kickers CXA 800.1. I turn it down to like about right there, about quarter. Right there, about a quarter right here. So basically I got the power, I got the ground over here, inside here, and that's it. And thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. The way, do not screw that amp to this right there, because the gas tank is right inside underneath there. What I did, I used the 1/4 inch wood and then put under the carpet, and I screw to the just to the wood so it stays not moving. So do not screw it to the metal.